Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to use Sutori. Sutori is an interactive timeline or lesson builder that you can use as a teacher, but also students can use to share information with you as well. So we've got 50 pro accounts given to us because of the COVID-19 closures, and I'm just going to show you how to use it to see if you might be one of those teachers who wants to use one. So in Sutori, I'm logged in with my school email, and I can add you on here too. If you notify me, I can give you the upgrade as well. And once I'm in my dashboard, I have the option to create story, or I can go into stories that were shared with me. I can also see students up here, and I'm going to just show you that I've added a student in, and you would invite students by clicking this button here. So we don't need to do that at the moment, but it just shows you that it gives them a code when you're ready to do that. So I'm going to go back to stories and just show you what I've made. I'll go into one I've already created just to show you a few things that I put in there already and show you how you can add things as well. So in Sutori, it allows you to make a title. I've made a title here, and then it gives you this little timeline, and there's pluses all along this timeline, and wherever there's a plus, that's a place that you can add media. So I've already added a video in here. I've added some text. I've added a quiz, a forum, an image, and another quiz. So I'm just going to show you how I did that now. If I go here on this line, it allows me to put in what I want. So I can put in any one of these things. I'm going to put in a audio bit, and it's going to let me drag and drop in audio that I've already recorded. I can put in a link to audio that I've recorded. So say you have a link from Google Drive. I actually won't do that now, but that just shows you the way that works. Yeah, you can anytime go up to add media. So I'm also going to show you how you can add maybe a did you know question. So did you know Sutori is great for interactive lessons? And what I've done is put that question there, and when students read this, they can comment, and you'll see those comments. Let's put something else here, and I can leave as much space as I want, but I'll put something else here. Maybe I want to add a matching quiz. So this is where I would put my quiz answer and then another matching answer. So Sutori is great. I love Sutori. Obviously, these are just fun. And so I'll just leave two, and I have those there. So when you play it, you can see that they've matched because they're correct. But you can do lots of different things with Sutori. What you can do as a teacher is you can attach files, you can attach videos. You could have kind of an interactive lesson of a whole class and just have them going through the media and answering questions. You can insert your own screencasts and then have quiz questions after that. Really, the sky's the limit. When you've created your Sutori, what you do is you go up to share. And, I guess this one was incorrect because I didn't do enough. So what I can actually do is just take that one out. Yes, I'm sure. So now what I can do is I can go up to the top and I can share, or I can present live. If I present live, then that would be kind of happening in real time. But what you can do is, it's a little frozen on me now. What you can do is go back and let's go back into the Sutori, and I can hit share, and I'll show you the sharing options. So if I go to share, I can invite others. I can go to the sharing area, and you can see that there are different things. For example, if you'd like to make it public, if you'd like to keep it secret, that's a good option because then you can share it with a link, and then you can say what you'd like people to do. I would like people to comment, so I'm going to say view and comment. And I can also share it through Google Classroom if I want as well. You can also embed it into a site, but I'm just going to keep this link here, copy that. And then what I'm going to do is go over to my student view. Okay, now I'm in the student view, and you can see that I am student GS. And what I'm going to do is just paste in that link that I got from the teacher side to share my Sutori. So I'm going to put that in, and you can see that I'm now a student in the story that I created. Just erase that. So you can see that I have these options. I can watch the video right
Hello
in.
everyone.
Okay, we don't need to do that, but we can watch the video right in the Sutori. It doesn't take them to another place. I can answer the quiz. I can say yes. I can go into the forum and say a comment if I want. I like the animals in the video. Then I can go down and I can do the quiz. What color is in the photo? I'm going to match that with yellow, and I got that correct. So I'll do the other matching, and I got that correct. So you can see that this is pretty cool and interactive for the student. Students can also go into their dashboard and go into their stories area, and they can create stories as well. So that's another fun option for them for sharing their understandings. Okay, back in the teacher side of Sutori in my dashboard, if I go into stories, I can click the 3 dots on that story that I've given to the student, and it says view stats. So I'm going to go and view my stats. And if I go to my overview, I can see kind of what everyone has seen. If I go into times, it shows that I'm the only contributor and the viewer is the grade 5 SFS or GES person that just filled it out, the student. If I go to quizzes, it shows me how they did in their answers, which is great. And it would list a lot more, of course, if you have more students. Comments would be if they commented on the whole Sutori, but that just shows you how you can find that information for students' answers. You can also go into students at the top, and you can click on your student, and you can see their stories as well if they left any. So that's a basic rundown of Sutori. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.